Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're watching me, and in today's video I'm going to talk about 35 ideas you can use for making your YouTube videos. So in case अगर आप में से कोई भी है जो has opened a new YouTube channel and do not know what kind of content they should post or what kind of videos they should post or are out of video ideas, I'm here to help you guys. I have come up with 35 video ideas you can use to make your own YouTube channel. So if you guys like this video and like my regular content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description as well as on the screen. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Here's my diary. Yes, I don't have notes on my phone or my iPad, so I have written some of my ideas that I have come up with. And some are also seen from Pinterest and all of that. Some are online, some are my own ideas, so I'm going to share a bunch of ideas. So let's start with the first one. The first one is a very trendy, and everybody does that, very common and easy. What I eat in a day. In case you're dieting or you're following a particular diet, you can share that. Even if you're not, you can share what you eat throughout the day, and that's kind of a cute video to watch. Like whenever I'm hungry, I always watch channels that cooking channels and all of that, so I really like them, so you guys can use that. So the first one is what I eat in a day. So I'm going to do it quick because otherwise if I start explaining 35 ideas it will take a long time. So yeah, let's move on. The second one is healthy snacks ideas. So you can if you have any healthy snack ka recipe, your own recipe, ghar ka recipe, mummy ka recipe, you guys can use that in case you guys want to use that as your video. So the third one is morning or night routine. Like आप सुबह उठ के क्या करते हो, कितने बजे उठते हो, उसके बाद से आप क्या करते हो मॉर्निंग रूटीन तक, एंड देन नाइट रूटीन भी कर सकते हो कि आप सोने जाने से पहले क्या करते हो, क्या आपका रूटीन रहता है, लाइक डिनर करना, उसके बाद वॉचिंग मूवी और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. You can use your own routines and make a video on that. It's kind of fun, like ASMR videos. So the fourth one is how to be productive. You can Google these things like how to be productive, or you can, if you know your own way to be productive throughout the day, you can do that. And then moving on, we have chill sit down GRWM, chill sit down get ready with me video. जैसे कि मैं बैठी हूँ, बैठे आप लोगों के साथ बात करते करते मेकअप कर सकती हूँ, रेडी हो सकती हूँ. Like I know Malvika Satlani, she always does this. Like she picks up a topic and then she chooses to speak on it while doing her makeup. Sometimes she does Q&A, sometimes she does sharing secrets. Sometimes she does her own YouTube journey and a lot of things like topics. She motivates us, and like a lot of stories, her proposal story, her wedding story, all of that. So I really enjoy them. She makes a good 30 to 40 minute long videos, and people and those kind of videos are really engaging, तो आप लोग वो use कर सकते हो अपने videos के लिए. So that's a good point. So that's a good that's one of my favorites in this list. Then moving on, we have how to look good on a budget. Like look good on a budget. You can use your own brains for that as well. Then moving on, we have healthy smoothie recipes. Like बहुत सारे smoothie recipes होते हैं. You just need a blender, some ice cubes and spinach and frozen fruits, yogurt, all of that, और smoothie बन जाता है. तो summers है, mango smoothie, strawberry smoothie, बहुत सारे options है. You guys can make smoothie recipes as well. Then moving on, we have attempting to learn a new language. Every day is a new sunrise, every day is a new opportunity to learn something new. तो आप लोग एक ऐसा भी वीडियो बना सकते हो, attempting to learn a new language. So मैं कोरियन सीख रही थी, and सीखते I stopped it and started watching Netflix, and you started watching YouTube videos, and that was the end of my video there. But you guys can attempt to learn a new language. And then moving on, we have it waking up very early for a day. I did this video on my channel. If you want to watch it, you can click on the I button right here. I woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning, which was really early for me back then, but now I wake up at 5:30 sometimes, not every day. So yeah, I did a routine on that. You guys can make a video on that as well. For inspo, you can check out my video. Then we have ways to save money before spending it. Like you can invest your money somewhere, or like you can do good investments. Doing your room or balcony decor, you can always use your room and do redecorate, like छोटे छोटे pieces, कुछ plants लगा लो, कुछ DIY कर लो, fairy lights लगा लो and this and that करके room को थोड़ा सा redecor कर सकते हो, balcony को redecor कर सकते हो. So there are ideas, there are tons of ideas throughout the YouTube to help you guys, to get you guys go in a direction. You guys can use that as an inspiration for your videos if you want to make on this one. Then we have getting ready in 10 minutes. I saw Sejal first time doing this one. She got ready in 10 minutes or 5 minutes for her birthday back in 2018, I think 2018 or 2019. It's very confusing because her birthday is on 1st Jan. So yeah, I don't remember. She was in Philippines, I guess, at that time with her brother, and she legit got ready super fast, and she filmed that, and from there I got this idea. Yeah, we can do that, getting ready in legit 10 minutes with proper makeup and everything. So you guys can use that as your video idea. Like, girls can do this. It's quite a challenge for girls, I know. Then moving on, getting to know your sibling. Get to know my sibling. Like, I did this one as well on my YouTube channel. The link will be given in the description box. Doing it with my sister. Then we have sibling does my makeup. Sibling से आप makeup करवा सकते हो. अगर आपका sibling interested है, whether it's a boy or a girl, you can always use one to do your makeup. It can be a funny video, but yeah, you can try it out. Then we have trying random online quizzes. There are tons of online quizzes even on YouTube. टाइमर के साथ यूट्यूब में ऐसा वीडियोस रहता है, तो यू गाइज कैन डू इट विथ योर फैमिली, विथ योर सिबलिंग्स और अलोन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी फन वीडियो. And then moving on, how to stay energized throughout the day. You can use this as your video idea. You can give lights to other people on how to stay energized and productive throughout the day. So yeah, that completes 16 video ideas. Moving on, we have 3-day glow up challenge. You guys can take this 3-day glow up challenge. So yeah, that's a video idea. You guys know what to do. For number 18, we have doing hauls. You can make haul videos always. People are always interested in knowing what you have bought. So you can do hauls as well. Moving on, we have decor. Decor as in room decor नहीं, decor as in occasions decors, like राखी आ रहा है, घर को कैसे सजा रहे हो for राखी, जन्माष्टमी में घर कैसे सजा रहे हो, दिवाली, होली just went by. Then Christmas, of course, New Year's, घर को कैसे सजा रहे हो, तो वो वीडियो आप कर सकते हो. That's an idea. Then we have monochrome dressing ideas. So that's a video for fashion related channels. That's a video for fashion related channel. My baby dog is sleeping there. It's so cute. You guys can take a view like this. Look at him. His head is under the sofa. My baby dog. So where was I? Monochrome dressing ideas. Fashion related channels can do these. You know what monochrome is, like orange everywhere, orange, but make it a cute outfit, like that kind of videos. I have done this on my channel, by the way. Monochrome dressing ideas. I have done black and white. Then moving on, we have how I earn. If you're earning from any source, if there's any source of income for you, you can share your ideas on that, like how you got the job, how do you earn, make a video on it. Also, you can do budgeting videos, by the way, if you have a household to run. Moving on, we have top 5 makeup products under 500. I have done this video on my channel. I have done it under 550 because one product was little above 500, so I had to do it under 550. So you can do that. Then we have my first tag, my first book I read, the first Starbucks drink I had, the first time the first time I posted a picture on your Instagram. A lot of firsts in your life. You can make a video on that. Then moving on, we have top 5 favorite books to read. You can, if you are a reader, if you like to read, you can make a video on that, like your top 5 favorite books. Then we have skincare tips everyone should know. See, there are a lot of skincare videos as well on YouTube. Skincare tips everyone should know. Then you can make a video on that. That covers 25 ideas. moving on, we have 10 more ideas to go. How I edit my videos or pictures, like you can make a video on how you edit your pictures for Instagram, how you edit your videos for YouTube or IGTV or anywhere you post. You can make a video on that. Then we have my list of favorite YouTubers and what I learned from them. You can share your favorite YouTubers lists and what you have learned from them, from their channel, and why are you interested in watching them. Maybe your interests somebody else to watch it as well, so you can help with that. Then we have DIYs. If you're good at DIYs, you can DIY a lot of things. Like my sister is great at DIYs, like my cousin sister, she's great at DIYs, so I always make her do my DIYs. I'm not so good at it, but yeah, if you're good, you can make a video on that. Then makeup vanity tour. Now we are coming to tours, like makeup vanity tour. You can do your closet tour, you can do your room tour. These cover 3 tours altogether. Then we have challenge video. There are bunch of challenge videos on YouTube. आप लोग check out कर सकते हो. जैसे चलता है कि 24 hour 1 color food eating challenge, 24 hour गोलगप्पा eating challenge, 100 days of walking challenge, like 100 days of running in the morning challenge, all these kind of challenge. Then we have following trends on YouTube. It's kind of same. No, not all trends are challenges, right? Yes, you can take up challenges, but you can do trends as well. Like H&M का haul अगर trendy है तो you can is a trend on YouTube, then you can do that. That's also a trend. So yeah, I think they are different. You can follow YouTube trends as well. Then we have only 2 more to go, guys. The 34th is my favorite hairstyles. You can show your favorite hairstyles and how you do that if you have any favorite hairstyles. Then the last one is my YouTube journey. You can share your YouTube journey and why did you end up making a YouTube channel, and your YouTube story, your life story, all of that. You can do story times as well. That wraps up my 35 video ideas. I hope you guys found something which can help you make videos on. What kind of English is that? I don't know. I think you got the gist of it. तो ख़त्म होता है 35 वीडियोज़. और अगर आप लोगों को ये वाला वीडियो अच्छा लगे, प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड मेक श्योर यू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट डाउन बिलो कौन सा आइडिया सबसे अच्छा था. एंड आई विल सी यू सुपर सून इन माय वेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय गाइज. Oh, do you guys want to see my doggy once again? Who is that? Hello. 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 Bye guys. I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye guys.